ACMEE is the show of Ambattur Industrial Estate. It is a global show, but it is emanated from Ambattur Industrial Estate. We have been associated with ACMEE from day one for the last about 30-40 years. My company have been associated with ACMEE and we benefited out of being part of ACMEE. ACMEE is clearly the number one show in Chennai, in Madras. All of you know that Chennai is the major manufacturing base in the whole country. Chennai is considered the Detroit of this part of the world, and Chennai is a very serious manufacturing base. There is a fantastic visitors to ACMEE and we benefit out of being a part of the ACMEE show, and ACMEE is growing day by day and now it is emerging as a true global show, and Madras, Chennai being a very big manufacturing base, and I am sure ACMEE will only gain its position in the global industrial fair scenario. As it is a major fair, we always take advantage of being a part of the ACMEE. We exhibit our products in the ACMEE. We have got a bigger space and we try to put all our equipment, our cutting machines and our preparatory equipment, all of them are being exhibited in ACMEE show because it is an important show for our company Chennai Metco.